let's travel straight to your home state now of Tamil Nadu, where we have our reporter joining us. Please go ahead, Pramod, ask your questions.
Thank you so much, Maria. Just like you mentioned, it is her home state, and the important aspect here is that Tamil Nadu, being a manufacturing state, it definitely has a very big positive impact over here, and the parties are definitely welcoming it. In a rare occasion, even DMK is welcoming certain aspects of it, and we also have certain guests over here who would like to take questions from you. First, let me go to Hardik. Your question, please.
Hello, Nirmala Sitharaman. Pranam. I'm Hardik Ladani. I'm the managing partner of Nutan Industries, and we are in the business of distribution of FMCG products. My question to you, ma'am, is, as we welcome the reforms and the GST reductions, majority of my products have moved from 18% to 5%. And what happens is, as much as we get the set-off from in the GST, a lot of amount gets accumulated in the GST portal. So can we have a auto-refund system where it can help all of us in terms of getting the refunds and using it for our working capital? Thank you.
That's actually one of the oh, sorry, you're going with the more.
Good morning, madam. Congratulations on the massive rationalization of taxes for the common man. GST is supposed to be good and simple tax. But as small traders, for the last 8 years, there have been regular and frequent changes which have been happening. The traders find it very difficult to comply. Though they want to comply, the procedures are very, very high. Just as you have rationalized the taxes, how would we expect a rationalization in compliances and filing of the forms, which will be very beneficial to small businessmen? Thank you.
Please go ahead, ma'am.
Oh, there's some.
Madam Finance Minister, first of all, congratulations to Bajpa for easing out the GST reforms in such a massive way. This is Sumit Kedia, Chartered Accountant from Chennai. Ma'am, despite GST being a historic reform, two of the major expectations are like bringing petrol, diesel under GST, and also restoring input tax credit for real estate and builders is still unanswered. So what is the government's roadmap to bring input tax credit for builders and also bringing petrol and diesel under GST? Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. These are the questions.
Pramod, with that, it's back to the studio, I guess. Yes, please go ahead, ma'am.
Like before, I'll start with the last question first. Petrol and diesel are not under consideration in this proposal, which the central government has placed before the GST Council. It is entirely with the states, although, as you know, even at the time of introduction, we had made a legal provision in the GST laws that as and when the states find it appropriate, once they determine the rate, without any additional changes to the constitution or to the GST concerned laws, we'll be able to implement on the petrol and diesel. But that is something which the GST Council has to take a call on, and our proposal does not include it at all. As regards the real estate, it is actually the input tax credit being denied was as a result of the request from the, not now, not earlier, not 1 year ago, but some time ago also. It is on their request that the input tax credit was not being given to avail. That is one. I'm losing track of the two other questions.
Ma'am, the first one started with the FMCG.
That's right.
Yeah.
As to how the tax cut will be.
Yeah, how will they pass it on if they already have things on their shelves?
There is some kind of a transitory arrangement that we are working on. The CBIC will come up with a clarification on it, and the information will be put out in the portal on the transitional arrangement. So that should address your concerns.
ஆட்டோமொபைல் வந்து ஆட்டோமொபைலோட டேக்ஸ் வந்து நீங்கள் 28லேருந்து 18 கம்மி பண்ணிட்டீங்க. ஆனால் அது வந்து இன்புட் வந்து பிஸ்னஸ்க்கு பிளாக் பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கிறீங்க. ஸோ அது வந்து அலோவ்
ஒரு நிமிஷம்
வியாபாரத்தில் காம்படிட்டிவ்
இல்ல ஒரு நிமிஷம்
காம்படிட்டிவாக பண்ணுறதுக்கு உதவியாக இருக்கும். அது விஷயமா நான் சொல்லி
input the question that he asked is about automobiles where input tax credit is being denied or blocked. So it is a particular situation that he is raising question about. ஸோ உங்களுக்கு தமிழில் சொல்லட்டுமா? நீங்கள் தமிழ் மாதிரி இல்லைங்களே, நீங்கள் ஹிந்திக்காரரா? உங்கள் தமிழ் ஒரு விதமாக இருக்குது.
ஆமாம், நான் வந்துட்டு
தப்பாக நினச்சிக்காதீங்க, நான் கேட்குறேன்னு.
ராஜஸ்தான்லேருந்து, ஆனால் 50 வருஷமாக தமிழ்நாட்டில் இருக்கிறேன்.
ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம். அதான் நினச்சேன் உங்கள் தமிழ் ஒரு விதமாக இருக்கேன்னு.
இருக்கிறாங்க.
से पता चला मैम.
His accent,
Accent, sir.
speaking,
முயற்சி
the
பண்ண
choice of
நீங்க
words.
முயற்சி பண்ணுறீங்க ஹிந்தி பேசுறதுக்கு, நான் முயற்சி பண்ணுறேன்.
அதே தான், ரொம்ப சந்தோஷம் நீங்கள் சொன்னீங்க. He is saying जब आप हिंदी में बात करते हो कितना मेहनत करते हो, वैसे ही मैं तमिल में मेहनत करके बात करती हूँ. स्पष्ट है भाई.